Now today let's start with chapter number 6, working with Flash CS60. CS3. Now, so let's study about Flash and its features. So what is Flash? It is very powerful tool creating a macro media that has overcome the best expectation this creator. Macro media Flash was originally created in an effort to realize that colorful animation of the web as well as to create animated GIF. So designer, web professional, amateurs, they have selected Flash for many reasons. What are the features of Flash? First is it is multimedia graphic program. It enables you to create movies. आप वेब पे मूवीज क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. इट्स यूजेस वेक्टर ग्राफिक्स मीन्स दैट ग्राफिक्स कैन बी स्केल्ड टू एनी साइड विदाउट लूजिंग क्लैरिटी एंड क्वालिटी. आप क्या कर सकते हैं भाई, ना तो आपको कोई क्लैरिटी लूज होगी ना ही कोई क्वालिटी. फ्लैश डज नॉट रिक्वायर प्रोग्रामिंग स्किल्स एंड इट इज ईजी टू लर्न. इसमें किसी भी तरीके की प्रोग्रामिंग स्किल्स की नीड नहीं होती और आप इसको ईजिली सीख सकते हैं. राइट नाउ स्टार्टिंग फ्लैश, you will click on start button, choose all program, click on Adobe Flash CS3 Profession. So the flash screen will be displayed like this. You can see that like this flash screen will be displayed, right? You will select the Flash Action Script 3.0 under a create new option. It will open a new blank file. So Jonathan Gate is the main programmer as well as visionary of Flash. He is the animation editor of web pages. Now workspace and its component. What is workspace? So the workspace is an organization of different Flash components like tool panel, color planner, property inspector and stage, right? So you can see here, this is the title bar. This is menu bar, इसमें file, edit, view ये सब आ जाते हैं. These are the section, layer section. These are the different tool. This is property inspector. Right, this is timeline, this is editor bar and this is a frame. और ये क्या है आपका color panel, this is different stage, this is Flash document, right, and this is your stage library. Next is, first is stage. It is the rectangular workspace area present at the center where contents are placed or drawing and movies are created. तो जो stage का size होता है वो 550 into 400 पिक्सल होता है. And the gray area that surrounds the stage is known as work area. इसको क्या बोला जाता है? Work area बोला जाता है. Where the contents can be placed. जहाँ पे आप different contents को place कर सकते हो, उनको animate कर सकते हो, right? So it consists of control for common functions and command like open, close, save and document. It consists of set of tools for drawing, painting, selecting, modifying object in the workspace. The tool panel has 4 main parts. Tool section, view section, color section. और एक आपका होता है ऑप्शन सेक्शन, राइट. तो इफ वी टॉक अबाउट टूल सेक्शन, इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ डिफरेंट टूल्स दैट वी नीड फॉर ड्रॉइंग. देन वी हैव व्यू सिलेक्शन जिसमें आपको जूमिंग होता है एंड पेनिंग होता है. देन कलर, यू यूज डिफरेंट कलर्स टू कलर इन द शेप, राइट. ऑप्शन जो आपके मॉडिफायर ऑफ द टूल्स होते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज टाइमलाइन. सो द टाइमलाइन कंट्रोल्स एंड ऑर्गेनाइज मूवी कंटेंट यूजिंग लेयर and scroll bar become available when there are more layers at the time that can be displayed. So animation in a Flash are created using frames. They are the little rectangular cell जिनको हम timeline में display करते हैं. Each frame has a number that can be found on the top of the timeline. So a frame shows a movie content at a particular move. Now keyframes. What are keyframes? Every stage where something changes, वो keyframes होता है. की फ्रेम्स जो होते हैं वो एक क्या डिफाइन करते हैं? चेंजेस इन द एनिमेशन. जितने भी आप चेंजेस कर रहे हो एनिमेशन, वो आपके की फ्रेम्स. लेयर्स, दे आर लाइक मल्टीपल फिल्म स्ट्रिप्स व्हिच आर स्टैक्ड ऑन द टॉप ऑफ ईच अदर. ईच ऑफ देम कंटेन्स डिफरेंट इमेज जो आपके स्टेज पे अपीयर होगी. नेक्स्ट वी हैव प्ले हेड जो आपकी करंट फ्रेम को डिस्प्ले करेगी और ये टाइमलाइन को लेफ्ट टू राइट मूव करेगी. Now property inspector, it's a panel which shows the properties of an object which is selected. Next is setting document properties. So for that, click on file, new, the new document dialog box will appear. Choose flash file, action script 3.0 option and you will click OK. Choose to modify document, the document property dialog box will be displayed over there, right? And then for changing the frame rate, अगर आप frame rate को change करना चाहते हो, you will set a movie speed in frames per second और जो frame rate होगा वो 12 FPS होगा. For specifying the stage size in pixel, enter the value of width and height in the corresponding text boxes और कहाँ dimension section. Now for setting the stage size, maximum available print जो होगा area का, आप उसको radio button printer or from the math section I will click. Then you will click on the unit to drop down and then you will click OK. Now draw an object and group outline with fill. When a drawing has been created in Flash, two objects are created, fill and outline. So to do this, you will choose the pencil tool and select green as a stroke color and fill and draw the sun. Choose a pencil tool, you will select a smooth mode from the option section. Choose red as a stroke, आप red को stroke use करोगे और fill color and then choose the paint bucket tool and click inside the sun. So your sun will become red. Now apply gradient fill. So gradient refers to filling color in an object from light to dark, which gives an effect of shade to an object or color formed by mixing various colors. To apply gradient, you will select the sun with the help of selection tool. Choose the paint bucket tool. Click on fill color drop down arrow for getting the correct platelet, and then you will choose the gradient effect and then click inside the object. Now creation of a new gradient. Two types of gradients can be created using Flash. First is linear gradient. It changes the colors from starting to end point. Radial gradient क्या होता है? It changes color in a circular outward direction. For creating a new gradient, follow the given step. Select the circle of the sun. Click on the window color mixture. Now click on drop down arrow to full style box and choose linear or radial. Double click, आप double click करोगे left color marker पे, right? Choose yellow color. Choose the paint bucket tool. Double click on the right color maker and then choose orange color. फिर आप किसका use करोगे? Orange color का. Then you will click on drop down arrow below the free transform tool and choose gradient transform tool. Click on the circle fit with gradient and gradient transform will control the appearance of the stage. तो किसको control करेगा? Stage के appearance, right? For rotating the gradient field, drag the gradient, handle the clockwise as shown in the figure. A bounding box with editing handles will appear. Now for altering the focal point, अब आप चाहते हैं कि जो focal point है circular gradient को उसको alter कर. You will drag the middle circular handle on the bounding circle. Now editing an object. First is selecting object. So to select the object, what you will do? You will click on selection tool, click and drag the selection box around the object and then you will release the mouse wheel. So you will double click on the object for selecting both stroke and fill. Now you want transforming the shape. अब आप shape को transform करना चाहते हैं. So for that, line and shapes can be scaled, rotated, compressed, stretched and smooth. Right? You will draw a star with use of polystar. Choose transform tool from tool pan. Double click on the star. Drag the handle of free transform tool. ठीक है, अब उसके handle को drag करेंगे. Now moving an object. अब आप चाहते हैं object को move करना. So for that, choose the object that has to be moved with the help of selection. A plus sign will appear next to the arrow. Click and drag the object to different position. You will release the mouse. आप mouse को release करेंगे. Importing an object or graphics. अब आप चाहते हैं कि जितने भी objects हैं, graphics हैं, आप उनको import करें. तो आप file पे click करेंगे, then you will go to import to stage, and the import dialog box will appear. So you can choose the file and you can import. Now animation in Flash. It involves series of still images. यहाँ पे आपको एक rapid sequence दिखेगा और series of still images देखने को. Right? Animations are created by modifying the content of successive frame. An object can be made to move across the stick. Its size can be increased or decreased, or it can be faded. वो fade भी हो सकता है. It's artwork. Now Flash provide two ways of creating art. दो तरीके से आप animation को create कर सकते हैं. By frame, images are created in every frame. Then twinned animation, जिसमें आप starting और ending keyframes को create कर सकते हैं. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Now let's move to the exercise. Now take the correct option. The dash consists of set of tools for drawing, painting, selecting and modifying object. That is toolbar. Dash section contains modifier for selecting color for the shape which you want to draw. That is color option. Dash gradient changes color in a circular outward direction beginning from focal point. That is ready. Dash are like multiple frame steps which were stacked on the top of each other. That is layers. The tool panel has dash main parts for dash selection tool required for zooming view. Next is fill in the blanks. The dash is the organization of different flash components like tool panel, color panel, and property inspector stage. What is this? Is your workspace. The gray area surrounding the stage is called. वो क्या होता है? Stage होता है आपका. A dash consists of control of common function and command. That is panel. Dash control the period of time of the movie. Timeline. Right? जो timeline होता है वो किसको control करता है? आपका period of time for movie. Dash is the fixed window which means on top of every object in the workspace. That is inspector. Dash depicts the current frame which can be displayed on the stage. That is stage. Right, T for true and F for false statement. Animation in Flash are created using frames. It's true. Keyframes depicts the current frame which can be displayed. False. Menu bar consists of controls for common function and command. False. The view section contains tools to require zooming and panning the application window. False. Next is radial gradient changes the color. वो color change करता है from starting to point in the straight line. True. Frame a little rectangular cell which are displayed on the time. It's true. Now answer the following question. How do you start Flash? मैंने आपको भी steps बताए थे. Like that, you will go to start menu, right? All programs, accessories like this. What do you mean by stage in Flash? What does the property inspector display? जो property inspector है वो क्या display करता है? What are the two types of gradient? How can I import graphics in Flash? आप कैसे import कर सकते हो? What do you mean by twin animation? कि twin animation होता क्या है? Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. That's all for today. Thank you.